back, mga besh,
mga besh, sige, karong adlaw.
We're back!
Oh yeah, na kami diri sa Pilipinas. So, nibalik na kami.
Yay!
Yeah, bari. Karong adlaw, ni-check-in kami diri sa I'm Hotel. Right?
Yes, I'm Hotel Makati.
Yes, kay social si Inday.
I'm not social, but it's nice.
Pero social man diri, kay astig kayo.
It's very nice.
I've never experienced this kind of socialness.
Social luxury?
Luxury. Diri sa Pilipinas. Pero karon, gutom na kami. Makaon kami sa ubos. And yeah, we'll give you the tour. But, sorry kami diri sa Manila. Tara.
Tara!
Oh.
Oh.
Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, leaving tight.
Rolling.
You're starting. Hello. Good morning.
Good day, mate.
Good day, mate. What's going on? So, we forgot to food vlog me eating my breakfast because I was hungry and I just wanted to eat it. And now I have been tamed. But this is the laksa and it's really, really good. Anyway, look at our view.
Food vlog. Best food vloggers
In Manila or the Philippines. Anyway, it comes with miswa noodles. There was an egg, but I already ate that. What are you doing? Okay, whatever. Let's cut to the chase. It's really good. The food is really nice. It's a really big buffet.
Very
which
social.
you saw.
Astig.
After breakfast, we're gonna go hang out. I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned.
Sige, nibali na kami diri sa gawas, diri sa pool side area. Does this pool have a name?
This is the Mermaid Bar.
The Mermaid Bar.
Mermaid Bar and Pool.
Walay shokoy, puro mermaid lang. Reina. No, that's queen. What's mermaid in Bisaya?
I don't know.
Nalimot ko.
Siren.
Siren?
Isn't that, remember when we were we were somewhere, I think in Carabao, and you said something about a Serena.
Serena Williams.
Serena, right?
Yeah, buddy.
Is that the word?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Sige, nara kami diri sa Serena pool, mermaid pool. We'll show you later. But the bottom of the pool is
It's like glass
see-through.
and you can see through. And
Yeah, so there's cars.
Which,
Trippy. So we're gonna take a little dip. Di kami sigurado unsay buhaton namo diri sa Manila kay puro traffic man. Pero astig man diri sa hotel. So diri lang kami. Unya, musuroy kami bisan asa. Tanaw na to. Di ba?
diba?
Diba? Talaga?
Can't do
My
that.
arm's so heavy. This arm. Alright, so maligo na ta.
Let's lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Woo, sige. We're back.
This is
buddy.
EJ. Where's EJ?
Guys, it's so nice
Sige,
to
morning, among friend. You guys are cousins?
He's my cousin. We're from Cebu.
Yeah, proud Bisaya.
We just met twice.
Proud Bisaya ka ba?
More than I've
she's
met
been
some of
hiding
my
from me
cousins.
for so long. Hey, what are we doing here today? Is that too soon? Or we're just right into it?
Question.
Okay, we're at I'm Hotel. We're at Antidote Bar. It's on the, I don't know what floor, but the top floor of the I'm Hotel with 360 views of Makati.
Sipping on some scissor.
This is fun.
So we met our boy EJ in Palawan.
You may recall
For
the
Red Bull.
event.
Wait, was I in the video?
You
too?
weren't in there.
I don't think you made the cuts.
It's not
No.
that very
Just
special.
Alright, so karon tambay kami dire. Photoshoot si Inday syempre. Unya, makita kami sa Making It Happen vlog kay syempre sila ang hari sa Manila. Di ba?
Diba?
Sige, musuri kami bisan asa, di ko kabalo. But yeah,
Cheers.
cheers.
Whoa,
Double fisting
okay.
over here.
Oh my god. Did I break it?
Alright, sick. Stay tuned. Sige, so 6 years na siya diri. So, mag-story ta sa iya kung kabalo siya mag-Tagalog. Alam mo mag-Tagalog?
Maraming konti lang Tagalog po.
Konti lang. Wow, ang galing mo talaga.
It's the only phrase I know that matters. Derecho,
Diretso. Okay.
kanan,
Pero Bisaya.
or Bisaya.
Kabalo
No,
Bisaya.
I haven't learned yet.
Your family's
Really,
Bisaya,
you're
bro.
Can we point the camera elsewhere?
Oh yeah, my bad.
Me, hi.
Kabalo ka
Stealing my
mag-Bisaya?
thunder. Oo, kabalo ko.
Grabe, do ka kang kauban ako na Bisaya. Di sila kabalo mag-Bisaya. Nga naman.
Ay, kabalo?
I've been working day and night, just trying to get famous. Stay ahead or stay behind. Why don't we just roll with this? I'm a sucker for your swagger. Only Tuesday nights available. We'll party till mañana, and then I'm inviting you to go home with me, home with me. I'm inviting you to go home with me, home with me.
Sige, mga adlaw sa initanan. Mas pag-adlaw diri sa Manila, kauban ako gyapon si EJ. O karong adlaw nami diri sa Mall of Asia. What's going on right now, dude?
So today we're at Zark's Burgers and they've got this challenge. Boom.
Ta-da-da!
Tombstone Challenge. 8 all beef patties, 4 slices American. Finish in 10 minutes and it's free.
Heck yeah, baby. Kaya mo yan? You got it?
Record's 2 minutes.
You gonna beat that, bro?
Wanna unlatch my belly?
Alright.
Comes out.
Sige, para na ako, madawag ni siya. Kaya dako lawas, gutom sa daan. So, gahulat kami dire. Unya, musulod kami dire para makadaog siya. Alright, in order to do the challenge, you must sign a waiver. He might choke. Tanan na may YouTube para kabalo siya unsay sakto na strategy para makadaog siya.
So they want you to dunk the bread in the water to like, cause you know you're so tired of eating
Yeah.
protein.
Sige, so una sa tanan, kauno ninyo ang carne and then the bread. That's the technique. You got this, bro?
I'm not gonna enjoy the burger, but I'm definitely gonna get it done.
Yes.
You know?
Also, tanawa iyang sanina, guwapo kayo. Represent.
Hey,
Turn around.
You get a shirt on the website. It's cars. Turn off.
Ilang ni siya? Hindi siya ilanggo. Kapag ka mag-ilanggo, how?
So good.
Namigit siya, te! Te, kung sa mo, makadaog ni siya. Makadaog na. Ang record, 2 minutes. Siya, siguro 1 minute. 59 seconds. Oh.
Give a secret, like what's the best way to do this? One burger.
Anong sakto na paagi ba?
Ano lang ba,
Carne anay.
mo lang, tapos gaan ka, damo ng tubig.
Damo tubig.
Tulon mo lang.
Oh, just swallow it. Just swallow it.
Saka, medyo init na siya kay made to order man.
Can you tell us what you're feeling right now?
You know, the more they like talking, they give me the gloves. It's like walking into something where you just know that it could end really well, like on that wall. It's somewhere in the hospital, you know? Like, so, gloves on.
There's a plot twist. You gotta finish a burger, fries, and a drink. We just found that out.
Good afternoon, ma'am, sir. We have Tombstone Challenge for today. Sir EJ, kailangan nyo ubusin yung Tombstone. May 8 patty and 450 grams na price in 10 minutes.
Let's go, dude.
Sir EJ, are you
Your timer starts.
You ready?
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Let's go. You can tap whenever, dude. 10 seconds, let's go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gotta get. Patay. Time. Woo!
Hey, did I do okay?
That's honestly pretty good, dude. You finished the burger.
Thanks, Carson.
My man. Okay, wala siya nadaog, pero winner siya gyapon sa akong mata. Charot. Harder than you expected? It's a lot of freaking meat.
There's so much French fries, you know? Like, honestly, it's like taking a cup of these and just shoving in your mouth. And, you know, like, it's not fun.
It's not fun.
Hard work. Dedication.
Sige, umuna kami dito sa Zarks.
Oh my God, she's so
Pero niabot na si Ma'am Joey.
Hey!
Wow, humana siya mag-deliver of uling.
Miss me.
Yeah, modeling.
Hey, look
Sige,
who's here.
iba lang kami. Kay, nakauna sila sa Chile's. What's up?
What's up, man?
How's it going, Carson? Give us a lowdown.
What's up?
What's going down right now? Bisaya.
Baita rin bata kay ako inaingon niya makikita gilog sa mo na ako nag-code number.
Chick boy ni siya. Ikaw ni akong uyab.
Wag gilog ka ko.
Grabe. Unya, kiss a chick.
Is that the real number, guys?
Dali lang, dito lang. Kiss on the cheek. Let's go!
Asay nam sa uyab. Asay nam sa uyab.
Dili pa Christmas, dili pa September, pero na si Santa Claus. Naughty? Oh, analyzing. Uh-oh.
Sa next one.
Scan result, 0%. Oh. 59% nice.
Wow.
What? 59% lang? Alright,
You've started. Oh,
we're live again.
we're not.
We're not live,
She's actually doing that.
but
filming.
we're gonna finish the vlog here because we just met Santa Claus. He owns 400 reindeer. He's been breeding since 1995. Cool fact. He
Oh,
said
same.
if you've ever seen a Santa Claus at the mall with a real beard, he said he's probably the owner of them or the boss of them. Basta, he's the legit Santa Claus. Diri sa Pilipinas. Dagan siya reindeer. Og si EJ, sakit iyang tiyan. Siguro diretso sa CR. Kalibangan na siya kay
Oh, that's weird, man.
dagan iyang gikanon.
One word. You said CR.
Yeah. Alright. Pero muli na kami. Kapoy si Inday kay.
I missed you guys. Sorry, I have something in my eye.
Yeah.
It hurts, but I missed you all.
She didn't get to join us today.
I didn't, but I had fun modeling oling.
Yes. Itom na siya kay. Uling kayo.
Oling, yeah. I was oling. But I'll see you guys.
Anything you want to say to the vlog before we end it?
I hope EJ didn't replace me, but I understand if he did. And if you guys like him more.
Did we turn on the volume?
It's okay.
Alright, so glad to be back. Diri sa Pilipinas. See y'all soon. Peace.
It's nice knowing you.
Oh, whoa.
Say. Oh.
You can't take my line.
Alright.
Salamat sa pagtanaw og amping mo tanan.
No. Let me take that line.
Oh my god.
Go.
She wasn't here the whole time. Let me.
Hit it.
I get like 30% of it.
Hit it.
Slammer, I wish you'd stop laughing at this.